The strain relief is a clamp that secures the cord firmly to the tool's housing. It prevents the cord wires from being torn away from the switch. The strain relief can be damaged if the screws that secure it are over-tightened. It can be broken if the tool is suddenly pulled by the cord. Replacing the strain relief is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear motor cover. With the motor cover removed, now I'll remove the strain relief. The wiring assembly is connected to the terminal block. I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I can install the new strain relief. I'll align the cord with the terminal block and then install the strain relief and secure it with the screws. Now I'll reinstall the terminal block. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the motor cover. And that's how you can replace the strain relief in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.